welcome to Archer Learnings. And in this video, we're going to see how to flip an image in a certain angle in UiPath. And let me show you the image, the same image that we used for the last video. And we are going to flip this image in certain angles like 45, 90, 180, 360, 270 and 360. We're going to see how we can actually convert this into those angled images. And before going to that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please consider subscribing for more of these videos. And if you like this video, please give it a like. And now we will start with the topic now. So first, what you need to do is you need to click on manage packages, and if you want to click on all packages, and then you need to download this package, install this package, UiPath team image activities. Click on install and save. Then you can able to see this UiPath team. In that you have images activities, where in actions you can see image rotate activity, and you need to drag that image rotate activity over here. Now we have 5 different types of skew angles, so I will drag 5 image rotate activities so that you can able to see all the skew angles on how the image is actually rotating. So first I need to give the file path. This is the file path for every activity, so we can clearly see how actually it is behaving. So for that reason I have used only a single file path, so that we can see the every skew angle, how it is resulting in an image. So first let me copy this same path, and here I need to provide the image file name, the output image file name, and I am marking it as 451, or let me take it as 45.jpg. The skew angle here is we need to provide the int value, which is 45. Here we have a 2 times double quotation, so let's remove that. And here the first one is completed, the skew angle, the properties of the skew angle image path. If there is no path here and there is an image object, then you can pass the image object also here. And if you want a image object from this particular activity, you can also get the image object, or if you simply require the path, you can also provide the path here. So similarly we need to provide the information for the remaining activities. Here it will be 90.jpg because we will take it as 90 degrees here. And this one, so here also the same thing. So here we need to provide 90, not 90, it is 180 degrees, and it is 270, and the file path will be this one, and it is 360, and the resultant file path, where the resultant file path here is 360, and here it is 270, and here it is 180. So we got all the skew angles covered. So first let me run this one and check whether all the images are created in the file path or not. And this is how you actually rotate with the skew angles, rotate an image with particular skew angle. So we can see here it is 45 degrees rotated, and it is 90 degrees rotated, and this is 180 degrees rotated, and this is 270, and this is 360 degrees. This is how you can rotate the images by using this particular activity, image rotate activity, which is done by the UiPath team. So this is how you actually rotate an image with the image skew angle, and the initial properties will be the image path, the input file path, and the image skew angle, and after that you need to use the image output file path. And these are the requirements for this particular activity. If you want an image object output, then you need to provide the path here, the resultant image. You need to mention it as image file. If that is the variable there, then you can use this variable into a load image activity, and then you can get the path from there as well. If you are using this particular image in any other workflow or any process after this particular activity, then you can use this image object file. And this is it for this video. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please consider subscribing for more of these videos. Thanks for watching.